red, and Colorado in the blue. This is last time for junior boys, junior men, Greco, Iowa in the red, Colorado in the blue. Please report to Matt 11. Junior men, Greco, Matt 10. This is the third 15th place match. In the red, Oklahoma Blue. In the blue, Minnesota Blue. Junior men, Greco, 15th place match. In the red, Oklahoma Blue. In the blue, Minnesota Blue. In the third place match, Junior men, Greco, on match 9. We have in the red, Illinois. In the blue, Idaho. Junior men, Greco, third place match. In the red, Illinois. In the blue, Idaho. In our third place match, the 2024 Junior men's Greco, first place match. In the red, on match 1, Pennsylvania. In the blue, California. Again, the first place match on match 1 for Junior men's Greco in the red, Pennsylvania, in the blue, California. You may start the placement matches.